Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to upload or add a CSV file into an n8n workflow and automatically convert that data into your CRM system. Whether you're managing leads, contacts, or customer info, this automation will save you tons of manual work. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. Once you are successfully inside the dashboard, I want you to hover to the left side area where we can go to the templates. You will be forwarded to a new page. And as you may notice, if you click the template tab, there's going to be like maybe a search key tag or keyword already embedded in the search bar. I want you to click the X button. We need to search for this specific template or workflow, and that is going to be CSV to CRM. I want you to press enter, and what will happen is it will forward you some suggestions, and I want you to click the first one that is in the result, which is uploading leads from a CSV file to Pipedrive CRM. If you click on it, you would immediately notice that you can use it for free, absolutely at no cost. Okay? And if you want a small preview of the video, you can click to explore. But my suggestion is to click the button already so you can be forwarded to use the template. Please take note that you have multiple options here. But for this instance, we're going to use the first default option, importing template to our n8n account. If you click on it, you will be forwarded to the main dashboard of n8n again. At this point, there is multiple options for you to customize the workflow depending on your preferences. You can create new Google Drive credential or you can create new Pipedrive credential. But at this point, I want you to skip that for now so that we will be forwarded to the editor. It's loading your template and you can, of course, be creative. You have the editor tab, executions, and evaluations, which gives you the ability to customize how your workflows is going to look up. All right. Now with this, once you've done that, you would notice that the first node is about the Google Drive's trigger. Okay. Because every time here, let me just hover that a file is created, it's going to be converted to a spreadsheet file. Okay. So if you're pulling the file from a cloud storage, after that, a spreadsheet file node and set the operation to convert. Under options, make sure to select the CSV to JSON. This tells n8n to parse your CSV data into a structured format your CRM can understand. It is going to be used by the help of Pipedrive. Okay, so once your CSV data is parsed, add your CRM integration node. For example, if you're using HubSpot, Pipedrive, or Zoho CRM, because n8n already has built-in nodes for these. And then from here, once you have finalized all the workflow on it, I want you to click the save button. You also have an option to execute the workflow if you feel that we're going to run past it if there's going to be an error, like this one. All I have to do, if you see that error, you need to make sure that the syntax and parameters are correct. You can set up your template again because, as you may notice, the node does not have any credentials yet. So it's important for you to make sure that the credentials are fully entered correctly and there's going to be no error with this. And after that, click the execute workflow again and click the save button. And with that being said, and basically that's it for today's video. Now we have just automated CSV to CRM data conversion using n8n. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.